Hello once again, and we are here working through the second fraction computation quiz that students took. And just to remind ourselves, this quiz was taken on the 10th of March. Now, even though I call it a quiz, it was just an assessment because it wasn't scored as a quiz, but it was just to find out where students were in the progression of fraction computation problems. Here we go. Let's walk through each one. First problem is 7/8 minus 2/3. Since the denominators are different, we have to make the denominators the same. In this case, it looks like I simply will just multiply each fraction by the other fraction's denominator. That always works. When I do that, 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 3 is 24. 2 times 8 is 16. 24. So I have 21 24ths minus 16 24ths, which is 5 24ths. Next problem. So I'm going to add a mixed number and a fraction. Denominators are different, so I first have to get the denominators the same. Looks like the least common denominator here is going to be 30, which means I'm going to have to multiply each fraction by the other fraction's denominator. Something that works every single time. So when I do this, the problem converts into 20 30ths plus 9 and 24 30ths. I add these together. I have 9. 20 plus 24 is 44 30ths. The numerator is larger than the denominator, so I can regroup this, and I can get at least one whole out of this. I'm going to write it. I can get 30 plus 14 is the same thing as 44. And when I do that, I can see I have 30 over 30 plus 14 over 30. I'll do it one step further. So just like when the denominators are the same, I can combine the numerators. Likewise, I can split up a fraction like this. 30 30ths is 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. And 14 30ths, if I divide top and bottom by 2, this becomes 10 and 7 15ths. Next problem. I'm subtracting mixed numbers. So here I notice that, hey, if I multiply 7 by 2, I get the bottom. So I'm only going to adjust this fraction. So now I have 7 and 10 14ths minus 3 14ths. There's no whole numbers, so the 7 will come down. 10 14ths minus 3 14ths is 7 14ths. And hey, 7's half of 14, so this converts to 7 1/2. Now I have a whole number minus a fraction, and I have no 18s here, so I'm going to have to borrow from the 10. So 10 is the same as 9 plus 1, and so I have 9. I'm going to rewrite the 1 in terms of this denominator. So that's 10 is the same as 9 and 18 18ths minus 6 18ths. When I do that, now I have, I can take 6 away from 9, so I have 9, 18 minus 6 is 12 18ths. I can divide both of these by 6, can't I? That's a common factor. So I have 9 and 2/3. One more. Subtracting mixed numbers, borrowing and regrouping. Okay, first thing I need to do is get my denominators to be the same. I know if I multiply 12 by 2, I get 24, and if I multiply 8 by 3, I get 24. So 24 is a common denominator. So this becomes 13 and 15 24ths minus 5 and 22 24ths. Now, can I take 22 away from 15? No. So I'm going to have to borrow. That's this 13 is going to become 12 plus 1 again. I'm going to rewrite the 1 as 24 24ths. So now I have 12 and 39 24ths. That's, remember here, that's because 1 is the same thing as 24 24. So 24 24s plus 15 24s, 39 24s. Minus 5 and 22 24s. Now this I can do because I can take 22 away from 39. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 and 17 24s. Done. You go practice. Review any problem that you need to see. And you too will be the masters of these with diligent practice. Bye for now.